Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learning Made Easy. We will be learning the chapter Girgit for class 10 through this video. Okay, the summary of Girgit will be explained here in English, and this is written by Lekhak Anton Chekhov. Okay, author's name is Anton Chekhov. Now Anton Chekhov actually has through this chapter he has explained, he has shown us some reality of that happened in a country named Rus. Okay, now what is Rus? Rus is a country that is spread half in European parts and half in Asia. Okay, so in those days, that is in at a very early stage, at that time in Rus, how people used to rule. That is what the chapter says here. The Lekhak Anton Chekhov says that in those days, the high officials in the place Rus, okay, high officials of the place Rus, they used to rule the country very badly. They themselves had a lot of malpractices. They were not good people in those days. Okay, they themselves did all kind of bad things in those days, whoever high officials were there of Rus. And the lower officials or even the common men, they had to obey. Okay, they had to just close their eyes and obey what these high officials or rulers used to say. Okay, they were filled with all kind of malpractices. They were wrong people, but the lower people, they didn't have any other option but to obey them. Okay, they used to stay very scared of them, and they used to actually, these common men and lower officials, what they used to do was they used to simply, flatter the high officials, simply praise them and all, and just stick to them. They just wanted them to be, these high officials have to be with these lower people, and for that they used to stand with any kind of false injustice was not a problem for these people. They just wanted these high people to be with them. Okay, I hope it was clear to you. See, it will be more clear when you go through the story. This is a very easy story actually. Here, Girgit means what? Okay, before going into the summary, I'll just tell you these things. Girgit means, there is a living being called chameleon, which changes its color on whatever thing it sits, it changes its color according to that. Yeah, you know that living being chameleon. So here Girgit means that. So here there is a police officer whose name is Ochu Melav, and he changes his color. Okay, he keeps changing his options, his opinions with the time. Okay, that is what we'll see in the story. Now, the names of people in the story will be a little different because it is about the people from a country called Rus. Okay, that is why the police officer's name itself is Ochu Melav. Okay, the names will be a little bit weird. Okay. So this is something according to the Lekhak Anton Chekhov. He says this is something that really happened. Okay. Now we don't know how far it's true, but this is a true story. Okay. So let's see. It's a very interesting story. Okay. Let's begin the explanation. पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर ओचू मेलाव दूसरों से हथियाई बेर की एक किस्म झरबेरियां की एक टोकरी को लेकर चौराहे से गुजर रहा था, तो अचानक उसके कानों में कुछ शोर सुनाई पड़ा. सो नाउ पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर ओचू मेलाव, just imagine yourself as if you are there, okay, where these things are happening. Just imagine you are at Rus now. The things will become more clear to you. So here the police inspector Ochu Melav दूसरों से हथियाई, okay, means something that was taken as in custody from others. दूसरों से हथियाई means when you take something from others ownership, you make it into your custody, उसको कहते हैं हथियाई. Okay, so दूसरों से हथियाई बेर की एक किस्म झरबेरी. Now this is the झरबेरी means a tree that has berries in it, red color berries in it. That is झरबेरी. From that he had taken few bear. Now this झरबेरी was somebody else's. Okay, that is why it is said दूसरों से हथियाई. But this police officer Ocho Melav has plucked few berries from the other person's tree, okay, which he took into his custody, and he has put it in a basket, and with that basket टोकरी को लेकर he was actually चौराहे से, the path through which you walk, footpath, he was walking, गुजर रहा था. Okay, अचानक उसके कानों में कुछ शोर सुनाई पड़ा. सडनली ही लिसन्स सम नॉइज. ओचुमेला मुड़ा और भीड़ की ओर चल पड़ा. उसने देखा कि एक कुत्ता 3 टांगों पर रेंगता हुआ आ रहा था. वह इसलिए रेंग रहा था क्योंकि एक आदमी ने गिरते पड़ते किसी तरह से उस कुत्ते की एक टांग को पकड़ लिया था. So now he sees a bheed over there, a crowd over there, Ochumela. He goes towards the crowd. Okay. Now reaching there, he sees that there is a dog, kutta, 3 टांगों पर on its 3 legs. Okay. Actually, dog has 4 legs, but now it is actually hopping. This dog is hopping with its 3 leg. It's hopping because it is not using all its 4 legs. Okay, rengta hua, it is hopping and it is walking, running over there. And why is he on his 3 legs? Because one of his leg was actually caught by a person. Okay, another person was there. He had caught the 4th leg of the dog, and that is why dog was hopping and running. Okay, now who is that person? Why is he holding the leg? Let's see. वह आदमी अपना दायां हाथ ऊपर हवा में उठाकर खड़ा था और वहां पर मौजूद लोगों को अपनी खून से लथपथ उंगली को दिखा रहा था. ओचुमेलाव ने उस आदमी को पहचान लिया. वह क्यूक्रिन नाम का सुनार था. Now what happens? That man who was holding the leg of dog, he actually lifts his right hand. Okay, दायां हाथ, right hand, he lifts it above. ऊपर हवा में उठाकर he lifts it above in the air and he to all the people who were present there, मौजूद लोगों को, means who were present there, to him he shows his खून से लथपथ उंगली. Okay, one of his finger was cut and it was filled with blood, and that is what he's showing to the people present there, and he was speaking to the people over there something. Now, what is the thing? How did his finger got cut? We'll get to know that. Now, Ochumelav, the inspector, he identified this person, पहचान लिया, that this person's name is Kyukrin. Okay, this person's name is Kyukrin and he is a sunar. Now, who is a sunar? A goldsmith or a jeweler. Okay. उस भीड़ के बीचों बीच अपनी अगली टांगों को फैलाए हुए, नुकीले मुंह वाला और पीठ पर फैले हुए पीले दाग वाला सफ़ेद रंग का बारजोई नामक प्रजाति का कुत्ता ऊपर से नीचे तक कांप रहा था और अपराधी की तरह नजर आ रहा था. Now that dog is being described here. Okay. And the dog with its front legs फैलाए हुए spread, नुकीले मुंह वाला, नुकीले means pointed face, pointed head. Okay, the dog had a pointed head and पीठ पर, on its back, there was a पीले दाग, yellow color mark. Okay, this is a description of the dog. सफ़ेद रंग का, and it was white in color. The dog was white in color. बारजोई नामक प्रजाति. Now, prajati means species. See, dogs belong to different species, right? German Shepherd, and there are different species. I have no idea about it. So, Barjoi is a kind of species, one of the species of dog. So, this dog was Barjoi species. Okay, so that kutta was kaap raha tha. It was trembling because it was an aparadhi ki tarah, as if it had done some kind of crime. The dog was trembling. Okay, I hope it's clear so far. Be very attentive, otherwise you won't get it won't be clear what is written. Okay, घटना के बारे में पूछने पर उस आदमी ने बताया कि वह सॉरी 1 minute, I missed the line. ओके, घटना के बारे में पूछने पर उस आदमी ने बताया कि वह तो चुपचाप अपने रास्ते पर चल रहा था. इतने में अचानक इस कम अकल कुत्ते ने बिना किसी कारण के ही उसकी उंगली को काट लिया. सो नाउ he was being asked, the Kyukrin Sunar, he was asked that what happened, what is the incident that has happened. So he says that I was quiet and walking through this way. At that time, suddenly this kam akal kutta, means this dog, the brainless dog, it came and bit my finger. उंगली को काट लिया. क्यूक्रिन की बात सुनकर ओचुमेलाव कुत्ते के बारे में पूछता है कि वह कुत्ता है किसका. वह इस मामले को छोड़ेगा नहीं. Now Ochumelav, as an inspector, he has got a chance to show off. He says that see, I want to know what happened actually here and tell me whose dog is this. Okay, I'm not going to leave anyone. This is what Ochumelav says. वह इस कम अकल आदमी को इतना जुर्माना लाएगा कि उसको पता चल जाएगा कि कुत्तों और जानवरों को इस तरह कहीं भी फालतू खुल छोड़ देने का क्या परिणाम हो सकता है. Now Ochumelav says that person, that is the owner of this dog, I won't leave him. Okay, I will show him, show him that how much dangerous it is to leave pet dog like this on the street. Okay, what is the result of that, what happens, and what is the consequence of leaving a dog like this? I will show him. Okay, I won't leave him without punishing him, is what Ochumelav says here. वह अपने सिपाही से पता लगाने को कहता है कि वह पिल्ला किसका है और इसकी पूरी रिपोर्ट तैयार करके बिना देरी किए कुत्ते को मार देने को कह देता है. Now he says his sipahi. Now who is sipahi here? Constable. So the inspector asks his constable to go and take the information of whose dog is this. Here it is said pilla because it's a baby dog. Okay, it's a puppy. Okay, so whose puppy is this? Go and find out and form a report. Okay, make a report on it and kill this dog. Whoever it is, kill this dog. इतने में भीड़ में से कोई कहता है कि लगता है ये कुत्ता जनरल जीलागोव का है. ये सुनकर ओचुमेलाव हड़बड़ा जाता है क्योंकि उसने कुत्ते को मरवाने का आदेश दे दिया था. नाउ फ्रॉम द भीड़, फ्रॉम द क्राउड, अ पर्सन सेज दैट ओ दिस डॉग इज जनरल जीलागोव्स. Now who's a general? General actually from any field it can be is a high official. High officials are called general and his name is Jilagov. There is a general named Jilagov, a high official. So a person from a crowd says that oh, this dog is his, General Jilagov's. Now listening to this, what happens? Ochumelav trembles. Okay, he hesitates because he had asked the inspector to kill this dog. Now if this dog belongs to a high general, this will become very dangerous for Ochumelav. So now he gets scared. Okay, let's see what happens next. वह क्यूक्रिन की तरफ मुड़ता है और उससे कहने लगा कि उसको ये बात समझ नहीं आ रही कि आखिर इस कुत्ते ने उसे कैसे काट लिया, ये उसकी उंगली तक आखिर पहुंचा कैसे. ओके, ओचुमेलाव क्यूक्रिन को ही कोसते हुए कहता है कि ज़रूर उसकी उंगली में कील इत्यादि लग गई होगी और उसने अचानक ही सोच लिया होगा कि चोट का पूरा इल्ज़ाम कुत्ते पर डाला जाए ताकि उस कुत्ते के मालिक पर दबाव डालकर पैसे वसूल कर सके. नाउ सी, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. Now, as Ochumelav comes to know that this dog is some high official persons, he says that, oh, he looks at Kyukrin, that is a Sunar who got cut finger. He says Kyukrin that, oh, I was just thinking that how can this small dog reach your finger? Okay, how can it reach your finger to cut? Okay, to bite your finger. I am sure you are simply putting the blame, ilzam on this dog so that you can take money, पैसा वसूल कर सकते हो, you can take money from the owner of the dog. I am sure you are telling a lie. See how the police officer has changed like a chameleon here. Okay, just like a chameleon changes its color, similarly the police has changed his color over here, changed his opinion over here. सिपाही ध्यान से कुत्ते को देखकर कहता है कि वो कुत्ता जनरल साहब का नहीं है क्योंकि जनरल साहब के पास तो ऐसा कोई कुत्ता नहीं है. जब सिपाही कहता है कि उसे एकदम पक्का विश्वास है कि वो कुत्ता जनरल साहब का नहीं है, तब ओचुमेला फिर से क्यूक्रिन की ओर हो जाता है और कहता है कि इस कुत्ते ने उसे काटा है तो एक बात को याद रखना है कि इस कुत्ते को किसी भी हालत में छोड़ना नहीं है. Now the sipahi, the constable man, police officer, he says to inspector that, oh, this dog is not that general's. Okay, this dog is not his. I am sure. Okay, he tells, I'm totally sure this dog is not his. Now what happens? Ochumelav again changes. He again changes his party. He says to Kyukrin that, now if this dog has bit you, okay, this dog is the culprit, we will not leave anyone. Okay, we will punish everyone. See again how he's changing. इसे हर हालत में मज़ा चखाना ही है. आई विल नॉट लीव हिम, आई विल पनिश हिम. सिपाही फिर से सोचते हुए बोला कि शायद ये जनरल साहब का ही कुत्ता है. कल ही उसने बिल्कुल इसी तरह का एक कुत्ता उनके आंगन में देखा था. अब ओचुमेलाव जानता था कि वह बहुत बार अपनी राय को बदल चुका था, इसलिए अब उसने कहा कि उस कुत्ते को जनरल साहब के पास ले जाया जाए और अब उन्हीं से पूछा जाए कि क्या ये कुत्ता उनका ही है ना. उनका ही है या नहीं. So now what happens? Again the constable says that maybe this dog is his, because yesterday I saw similar kind of a dog in his garden. Now, since Ochumelav had changed his opinion many times, he couldn't change it more. So he says he asks constable to go and make it sure, go take this dog to the General Sahab, show him and make it sure whether it is his or not. जब उस कुत्ते के बारे में कोई ठीक से नहीं पता पा रहा था, तब ओचूमेलाव को जनरल साहब के घर में खाना बनाने वाला दिखाई देता है. वह उसको बुलाता है और उससे पता करने की कोशिश करता है, पर बावर्ची मना करते हुए कहता है कि उसने अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी में इस तरह के कुत्ते को जनरल साहब के घर में नहीं देखा है. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स एट दिस टाइम? ओचूमेलाव सीज अ बावर्ची. बावर्ची इज a cook, okay, khana banane wala. Whose cook is he? He is that General Sahab was there, right? What was his name? I don't remember. Geelong something. So his cook Bawarchi is seen over there. So Ochumelav goes to the Bawarchi, to the cook, and asks that, see, is this dog the General Sahab's or not? Please tell me. Okay, so the Bawarchi says that no, not at all. I have never seen this kind of a dog at General Sahab's place. Okay. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स, लेट्स सी. ये सब सुनकर ओचूमेलाव कहता है कि अब और ज़्यादा जानने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वह कुत्ता फालतू है, अब इस कुत्ते को मारकर सारी घटना को ही ख़त्म कर देना चाहिए. इस पर बावर्ची प्रोखोर कहता है कि ये कुत्ता जनरल साहब का नहीं है, परंतु ये उनके भाई का है. सो नाउ सी, ओचूमेलाव सेज दैट ओके, now Ochumelav was sure this dog is not General Saab's because his own cook has said so. So he says that now let's kill this dog. He's not anybody's. He's a simple stray dog. Kill him. Okay. Now on this, the cook, okay, the cook, his name is Prokhor. So the Bawarchi Prokhor says that this is not General Sahab's, but I think this is his brother's. This dog is General Sahab's brother's. जब ओचूमेलाव को पता चला कि जनरल का भाई आया है, तो ओचूमेलाव बावर्ची से कहता है कि थोड़ा सोच कर देखो कि जनरल साहब के भाई साहब जनरल साहब से मिलने आए हैं और वह इतना भी नहीं जानता. So now Ochumelav again tries to change his opinion. He says that, oh, is General Sahab's brother over here? Oh my God, how can this happen that General Sahab's brother is over here and I didn't even go to meet him? This is wrong from my side. Okay, now see, he's changing the topic. और ये कुत्ता उनका है, एंड ही सेज इज दिस डॉग हिज ब्रदर्स. ओके, ये जानकर बहुत खुशी हुई. आई एम सो हैप्पी नोइंग दैट. ओचूमेलाव अगेन चेंजेस हिज पार्टी. ही सेज इफ दिस डॉग इज द जनरल साहब्स ब्रदर्स देन आई मस्ट गो एंड मीट हिम एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट ही इज़ हियर. ले जाइए इसे, ये तो बहुत ही सुंदर कुत्ता है. Just imagine how a person can change so much. He says that this is a very beautiful dog, a very beautiful dog. Let's take him to that General Sahab's brother. प्रोखोर कुत्ते को संभालकर काठ गोदाम से बाहर चला जाता है और भीड़ क्यूक्रिन की हालत पर हंसने लगती है. सो देयर इज़ अ काठ गोदाम. व्हाट इज़ काठ गोदाम? काठ गोदाम मीन्स एक्चुअली, गोदाम मीन्स गोडाउन. Okay, cart means where wooden sticks are kept. A godown where wooden sticks are kept. Actually, this scene happens where the dog comes out and the person with the cut finger comes out is from cart godam only. Okay, they are coming out of this godown. Okay, so he says now Ochumelav says to Prokhor that take this dog to your place, to the General Sahab's brother's place, very carefully. Okay, now people over there who had gathered, they start laughing, thinking about the condition of Kyukrin, who was cut, who has a cut finger. Just imagine his condition. On one side, one time, the Ochumelav says you will get the justice. On the other side, he says you are wrong. Okay, the dog didn't bite. Maybe some keel, maybe I missed that portion over there. A keel must have by mistakenly entered your finger. Keel means, you can say, a nail made of iron or something else that you can see, used on wooden pieces of furniture and all, or maybe also used on ships. Okay, उसको कहते हैं कील. So that must have by mistakenly gone into your finger and you're lying. That is what he had said in the beginning. And then again he changes, no, maybe you're right. Again he changes. He keeps on changing. So people starts laughing on the condition of Kyukrin. Ochumelav Kyukrin को डराते हुए कहता है कि वह उससे बाद में निपटेगा और अपने लंबे चोगे को शरीर पर डालता हुआ बाजार के उस चौराहे को पार करता हुआ अपने रास्ते पर निकल जाता है. Now at the end, Ochumelav looks at Kyukrin and says that I won't leave you. You were lying. Okay, that is because this dog belongs to some high official. Okay, so Ochumela says that I won't leave you and wears his choge. Choge क्या होता है? Coat, his long waist coat. He wears that and he starts walking on the चौराहा, on the footpath. बार बार अपनी बात से पलटने और बड़े अधिकारियों के कुत्ते तक की सिफारिश करने कारण इस पाठ का नाम गिरगिट रखा गया है। और ऐसी शासन व्यवस्था के लिए ही कवि तुलसीदासन ने कहा होगा, समर्थ को नहीं दोष गुसाई, अर्थात समर्थवान लोगों का कोई दोष नहीं होता। So now here at the end, actually the condition of the people in Rus is being said, that how, in order to please the high official, even a matter of a dog is considered, in such a naive manner, in such a weak manner, okay? Even it's just a thing of a dog, but if it belongs to a high official, see how a police officer changes its color. That is why the title is given as Girgit. And Lekhak also points out a line by Tulsidas, poet, where he says, समर्थ को नहीं दोष सुगाई. The meaning is, समर्थवान लोगों का कोई दोष नहीं होता. If you are smart enough, then there won't be any wrong from your side. So here actually who is being pointed out, Ochumela is pointed out. He is smart enough, okay, not to move the people's mind here and there. And because of that, what he does, he plays, he plays by changing his opinions in front of people, okay, in order to please the high official. So I hope the story was clear to you. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. I'll keep uploading video. Bye-bye.